kana kuhuura njeki Betika ilitanyitwo gukorwo gatagati ka Daniel Wanyonyi na mutanzania Karim Mtu Kazi Mandonga. Betika ici ni igakorwo kana itanyitwo kuhanika muthenya wa Juma ino yukite kuri mwena wa Site Center Westlands mucini munene wa Kenya Nairobi na kuguciriria magana ma eroreri na makiria aria mendete mubira kana aria mendete Betika ici cia gundi. Riu gukiri uguo mundu uikaine ta Wanyonyi ni atanyitwo gukorwo akihotana Betika-ini ici kuona ati Betika iria ciriga gukorwo oro guku mucii munene wa Kenya Nairobi na makiria kiharo-ini gia KICC ni akorirwo akihurwo ni Mtu Kazi na koguo Betika-ini cia muthenya ucio wa Juma ni atanyitwo gukorwo akirugamia.
Fight. It's going to be the biggest boxing fight of the year, and logistical planning is underway. Mandonga arrives tomorrow evening. We have a fight-week schedule which are going to avail to the public via social media channels. And on the fight day, I would just like fans to attend and come and support our Kenyan fighters, because boxing has been neglected for a long time, and we want to demystify boxing. People, this is a part of entertainment, and at the same time there are people who depend on it for livelihood, and they're talented, but they've never been given a chance to showcase their talent.
The event today was for us to issue the check showing our support to both the promoter and the fight itself, and it is important more so to us because we have made a commitment to diversify our involvement in sports. The 1.5 million basically for that goes to paying the boxers, that is in prize monies, and also some logistical support for the event.
Cha kwanza maandalizi yamekuwa sawa, hata vile tunaongea hivi hapa tuko gym, na kwa sasa nafanya tu ile kupolish hapa pale, ni kila kitu niko mindset, niko tayari kwa hilo pigano la Sato pale Site Center mbili yangu na Mandonga.